Hello, Sue here again from Sue's Dolbrodmaeth kitchen for the third instalment of my burgers that I'm making with my own soda bread rolls. Okay, so now we're actually going to make this burger sauce that I've got here, and I'm not doing it like completely by this because I don't want that much, and these quantities seem very large to me, so I'm going to halve the quantities. Okay, so it says here to use 200 grams of ketchup, so we're only going to use 100 grams of ketchup. So I'm just going to try and finish using this one up. So we need 100 grams of ketchup. So let's just wipe this out. So 100 grams of ketchup, okay? So we'll try and get that out of there. It's quite a lot still, actually. So 100 grams of tomato sauce. So I'm just going to tip that in here. 100 grams of tomato sauce. And then we're going to use 200 grams of mayo. I just hope I've got enough mayo, actually. I'm just going to use whatever's in that jar. So if it's not quite 200 grams, never mind. So whatever's in here, it doesn't have to be precise. And then we're using, hold on, what we've got to use next. 30 grams of Dijon mustard. I don't think you need to put Dijon mustard in if you don't like it. Okay? I've got mine in this jar. So 30 grams of Dijon. I actually like Dijon mustard. So 30 grams of Dijon. Oh, nice mess. And then we're going to use 1 teaspoon of paprika, but you don't have to use it. Okay, I'm just going to use half a teaspoon. It says a whole teaspoon. Obviously, I've reduced the size down of what I'm using, so it wouldn't pay me to use a whole teaspoon. So I'm just going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon, actually. An onion powder, half a teaspoon. I don't have onion powder. And then 1 gherkin. I've just got to go and wipe my fingers and stuff. Hold on. Just check these out. I'll wash all these. I must say, it's good to do this because you can get rid of all your leftover sauces and stuff that you've got hanging around your house. And then black pepper and salt. So I'm just going to put a little bit of salt in and a little bit of black pepper. Not much. Where is it? A little bit of black pepper. And I'm going to blitz the shallot with this blitzer this time. Used a different one last time, so now we're using this one. It says to cut up the shallot finely, but I'm just going to blitz it quick. Just to give it a bit of onion flavour. I'll just get this board. Anyway, so I think my soda bread rolls might be done. Right. So I'm going to just blitz this all together in this bowl, okay, with the shallot. Quick. wanted to open the gherkins because I couldn't open them. He done it in like a split second. And I tried using, like running it under the hot tap, using an elastic band, and he just goes, what would I do without my man around, eh? Wouldn't be able to have any gherkins. Anyway, so I haven't actually got any whole gherkins, these are sliced gherkins, so I'm going to use about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slices, and then I'm just going to chop them up. So we're going to go outside and have a barbecue, not in the field, nearer to the house today. So my partner's going to go and get the special bin thing we've got, and I've got like a special thing that you put the burgers in and just hold it over and just cooks them like that, really. It's quite simple. So I've chopped up 6 gherkins, so I'm just going to add them to the burger sauce. Might add a couple more. I really like gherkins, especially in a burger sauce. I'm just going to add a couple more. So this is a burger sauce that was sent to my partner from his work. And it was sent to our email address. So I thought, well, I'll make that, shall I? That's how come I found it. So if you want the ingredients for this sauce, just let me know and I will put it below. Okay? Remember, I've halved it because obviously I don't need tons and tons of burger sauce. There's only me and my partner to eat it, so we don't need tons. And what I'll do tomorrow, so just mix it up with the gherkins in it. So in here I've blitzed the shallots, and I've blitzed it in with the mayo and the tomato sauce, and also the Dijon mustard, the salt and pepper, and that's it, it's done. So there we are, there's burger sauce for our burgers. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're getting some joy out of my videos that I'm putting up. If there is anything you would like me to make, please leave a comment below, and please give me a like and a thumbs up if you like my videos. Subscribe to my channel and I will continue to keep making videos for you. This was a quick one today because I'm in the middle of hurrying up here because it's now 7:05 in the evening in the UK on Wednesday. Okay, I'm not even sure what date it is today because I'm completely lost track of time. Every day seems to feel like the same. I just spend all my time out in the garden preparing it for my organic garden, so look out for that. So I hope you enjoyed my video today. So if you did, please give me a thumbs up and a like, and I will endeavour to keep making videos for you. So bye for now. Bye!